Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. The first thing you'll see is the expansive swim platform with freshwater shower, transom stereo control, built-in cooler, cell phone chargers, ski storage, as well as the flip-around lounger. This lounger easily slides back when it's time to run, giving you expansive seating in the cockpit. It's the best of both worlds. As you come forward, you'll see an in-floor ski locker, additional storage under the cockpit floor, cockpit table. As we come around to the helm, you'll see a flush-mounted Simrad display with fish finder, GPS chart plotter, touchscreen fusion audio, digital shifter, seating that flips both ways to give you either a forward-facing companion seat or a rear-facing lounger on both sides. Because of this very unique floor plan, you get a massive head area with tons of storage that's fully finished out with cushions, pump-out porta potty, and as well as a flip-down cushion there that expand on your storage. As you see, we go to the bow of the boat on the port side to a very large bow seating area. Cell phone chargers, built-in cooler, recessed cup holders, everything you want for a day on the water. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats. Or call me direct, area code 407-394-7623. And this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida.